Samsung users need these 7 good lock features ASAP. Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'll explain what each feature does and then show you exactly how to enable it step by step. Let's get started. First feature is One Hand Operation Plus, faster navigation. What this feature does. This feature lets you control your entire phone using simple edge swipes. You can go back, open recent apps, take screenshots, or lock the screen without using navigation buttons. Go to Galaxy Store. Search for Good Lock and install it. Open Good Lock. Tap on One Hand Operation Plus. Turn the toggle on. Tap on left handle or right handle. Disable navigation buttons to make older phones feel smoother and faster. Make these options as per your will. Next is Quick Star, Clean Status Bar. What this feature does. Quick Star lets you customize the top status bar. You can hide unnecessary icons and make your phone look clean and minimal. Open Good Lock. Tap on Quick Star. Enable Quick Star. Tap on Visibility of Indicator Icons. Turn off icons you don't use. Simple trick. Hiding unused icons reduces visual clutter on older screens. Next is Sound Assistant, Smart Audio Control. What this feature does. Sound Assistant gives you advanced sound control. You can control volume for each app separately and make volume changes smoother. Open Good Lock, tap on Sound Assistant, turn the toggle on, tap on individual app volumes and enable it. You can add apps from here very easily from tapping on them. Tap on Volume Step and reduce the level. Simple trick. Smaller volume steps prevent sudden loud sounds. Next is Lock Star, Useful Lock Screen. What this feature does. Lock Star allows you to fully customize your lock screen. You can move the clock, notifications, and shortcuts anywhere you want. Open Good Lock, tap on Lock Star, enable Lock Star. Drag the clock and notifications to your preferred position. Simple trick. Lower the clock slightly so notifications are easier to read. Next is Nice Catch, Find Hidden Problems. What this feature does. Nice Catch tells you which app is causing vibrations, pop-ups, or random screen wake-ups. Open Good Lock, tap on Nice Catch, enable Nice Catch. Turn on Vibration History. Simple trick. If your phone vibrates randomly, Nice Catch shows the exact app. Next is Home Up, Better Home Screen. What this feature does. Home Up lets you customize your home screen layout and recent app screen, making your phone more efficient. Open Good Lock, tap on Home Up, enable Home Up, tap on Home Screen Grid, increase grid size to fit more apps. Simple trick. More apps on one screen means less scrolling. Last one is Registar, Hidden Shortcuts. What this feature does. Registar unlocks hidden system controls like back tap gestures and settings shortcuts. Open Good Lock, tap on Registar, enable Registar, tap on back tap action, enable double tap, and assign it to flashlight or screenshot. Simple trick. Back tap adds new shortcuts without extra apps. So these were 7 good lock features Samsung users need ASAP. Follow these steps, try these tricks, and your phone will feel brand new again. If you liked this video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. That's all for this video.